Today I decided to go a little bit crazy, so there is gonna be absolutely no stamping, no stenciling, just one paint and beautiful washi tape. Stay tuned! It's Asia Marquet here, Lemon Creation, and thank you for stopping by. Today I have for you a little bit of unboxing. I got a washi tape from the Washi Tape Shop, and I decided to show you the beautiful designs they have and create an art journal page just with washi tapes, because you know me, I am very true to my stamps, stencils, not only mine, but in general. I love stamping. I am such a crazy stamper. And so I decided that today I am gonna actually see if it's possible to create a page just with washi tapes. I mean, I create sometimes shorts just with washi tapes, but they are very, very simple ones. Today I wanted to go for a little bit more complicated. I started with opening these beautiful tapes. I almost was angry with the fact that they actually covered them so nicely with the tissue paper, because it took me so long to open them. But this is very nice touch, you know, and it means that the quality is there, which is true. The Washi Tape Shop is known for that. And so I decided to quickly show you just the tapes I got. Some of them are on paper. A lot of them are having the raised images. So basically there is some kind of like a, you know, like a line with gold or with silver. And most of them are actually pre-cut, which is super cool. And I was not expecting that. So you're gonna see when I am creating that I was actually like so surprised. And then I wanted to have more of the tapes which are pre-cut, but they have also PET tapes, which are basically like tapes on a sort of acetate, so like see-through. And I was hoping they are also pre-cut. They are actually not, but it's not a big deal because you can cut them quite easily and then separate them, and they are all, you know, they all have the sticky back, so because they are tapes. So they're quite nice. And this is my very, very first project working with them. Oh, this one is the PET, is called PET washi tape, which I didn't know because I haven't used PET in my projects, and I didn't know. I knew I've seen other crafters using the PET washes, but I didn't even know that this is the correct name for it. I decided to actually place the small stickers with the name of the tapes, because each tape has a name, has its proper name inside the roll, and so like that I will have them for like future reference. And I'm working in my this is not mixed media, this is actually watercolor butterfly journal, and of course this is the tape I absolutely love, because of course it's tiny bit of grunge, and so, you know, it's so totally up my alley. I'm gonna, as always, give you in the description box below the names of the products used. There is gonna be a link to the shop, and then you're gonna have also a discount if you enter the discount code, which is gonna be given to you in the description box below this video. So look at that, guys. They are coming so nicely, so easily off the tape, and they are pre-cutted, so cool. I absolutely love that. And you actually, they are done on some sort of kind of a almost tissue paper, so you don't have these very visible edges. Once you put the tape on the paper, it's almost like it was a stamp, like you know, there is no traces really of it, that it's a washi tape, that it's a sticker basically you put on the paper, unless you of course look with the naked eye from very close, but otherwise you cannot see it. These particular ones I am using for this page are coming from the set which is called Laws of Attraction. And so they are, as you can see, a little bit scientific-like, I don't know. And I didn't like this calculator there. It kind of bothered me a little bit, but good thing, they can come out or come off the page very easily, and I put it back on the roll, and I will have it for a future project. But it was really fun to do something like that. I've been stenciling and stamping so much lately that it's like a breath of fresh air to actually do something with the tapes. And it's true, actually. I was I wanted for a long time already to have some washi tape tapes, but I was reluctant to buy them simply because we are paying very, very, very big custom fee when we buy something from across the sea. So I decided not to do it, and I am so happy they actually offered to send me a few of them, because like that I can see look at that, guys. I'm really trying very hard to to find the place where they are, like, which would show me that they are pre-cut, the PET washes. They are not. But coming back to my earlier thought, I was very happy that they offered to send me some of the tapes, because like that I don't have to pay a custom fee, and I can work with them, which is super cool. And yes, they are as good as I heard that they are. I really love them. For now, as you can see, I work only with 2 of them, but I'm sure I'm gonna be making shorts with more. So you're gonna see me working with them. And I decided to add a little bit of Distress Oxide spray. I was also wondering how the spray is gonna behave on the washi. Of course, on the PET, it's obvious it's not gonna be staying on it because it's like acetate, so it's not gonna stay. But I was wondering how it's gonna react with the paper washes, and it's kind of harder to keep it on this paper. So it seems the paper is probably a little bit waxed, but it's still possible. So as you can see, it still kind of stays on the paper, although it tends to actually go from the paper, from the washi, and to look for the for the watercolor paper which is underneath. And by the way, yes, I'm working on the watercolor paper. I think I mentioned that already. So the texture is like, it's a fine grain, but it's still a texture watercolor paper, and still the stickers look so cool on it. You don't really see that they are stickers. And this one, I do apologize, you have reflection of my lamp in the sticker, but on the close-ups you're not gonna have that. And I decided to add a little bit of sentiment, which comes from the same PET washi, which is called, by the way, Chic Attitude. I have hard time to remove the backing of this so I am using a lot of tools to manage that, but I was always very, very bad with that. So it's just my problem, it seems. And guys, this page is done, really easy, and I really like still, it's my climate, my cup of tea. The background is a little bit, grungy almost, and it looks so cool. As always, thank you so much for subscribing and hitting the notification bell button, and of course leave me a comment, and I really hope I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye!